How many times you have to open this fridge to find out there's no food, nigga? You son of a...
Oh, hold on. I got you, bro. I got you, my nigga.
Yeah. Or did you come in and put that shit inside? Yeah. You see now you talking, my nigga. You the man. This is what I'm talking about. I like this shit. You see now you do shit like this. I become a shit.
Yeah, it's gonna be tense tonight. I got you.
You see now, yeah. Put on that shit. Put it inside.
How do you feel now?